What you talking about? Is Jaden Blaze?
Big up all who check in. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Now Vybz Kartel react to Queen Ifricka's situation being exposed on the media. And as you know, recently Queen Ifricka called out Vybz Kartel's wife, saying that she was an agent. I couldn't hear Vybz Kartel say. This reminds me when Vybz Kartel say, here I was thinking they were Bill Gates when they were not even Bill Fence. I couldn't see what I go on. Look and listen.
Sean, I have to tell you now what I go on. My fiancé pregnant right now. But the bad mind people them a carry the belly.
No, it never stopped this up. Because the woman, the other woman, where she said because of fear situation with the love of Queen Ifricka's life, and that really play upon Queen Ifricka's mind. I couldn't hear what the woman have to say. And then we'll continue reasonation. Look and listen.
You know, so growing up, I always hear so when you take a girl man and you're the side chick, you're supposed to behave with grace and respect. You're supposed to respect the wife, you understand? And keep your little self in a corner, you understand? That's what they always teach me. When you take a girl man, you need to stay in your lane and respect the wife, you understand? So I always been the person who try to stay in my lane and respect wife and all these things. But every blood clot when me go, me see this woman. Everyone me go up on the internet, me see this woman like this woman just want me to see her. So me go get into it. So Miss Queen Ifricka, come here. Come here, Queen Ifricka. Mama ask you this. You're in everybody's saga, right? You have an opinion to everybody thing, right? So when you go come out and make the people them know say me and your mate. When you go come out and make the people them know say me and you are mate. Because me realize that everywhere me go, you depend somebody business, you chat somebody business but yours. Why you not come out, come tell the people them say this girl is my mate and that this girl have my foot under pressure? Miss Queen Ifricka? And that the way I wait pan. Because me never did I go say nothing, you know. Me just lay down in my corner, I hold my like a chili poo mouth, and say me not go say nothing. But everyone I go, you're there. You're in everybody business, in everybody saga, in everybody dranga. So when you are gonna come out now, Miss Queen Ifricka, and tell the people them say, yo, this is my mate right here, because from what I check, your man is my man and my man is your man. We are both taking the same man. So come make we talk about that now, Miss Queen Ifricka. How it go? Because you full invested in everybody else saga. So I could tell them why you over there and mad out, a couple of your ear them a drop out, and you lose weight, and you stress out, and everything a pop down and I go wrong round you now. I could talk about it. I know when you're ready for talk about it, Miss Queen Ifricka.
Now tell me what you think. Because people that say Ifricka has been acting somewhat erratic. They must say no know why she choose it. I call out Vybz Kartel all of a sudden. Even though she said the things that has been circulating in the media in recent years was because of how media personalities and people who interview her presented or asked certain questions for she answered a certain type of way. But people are saying even when she go live, why she call Vybz Kartel me? Why she talk about Vybz Kartel's fiance? Now that woman I say, that's the whole reason. Yes, she say, that's the whole reason. Because she said she fall on the internet. And why she choose to talk about a whole heap of things, especially people business. The woman I say she not hear her talk about her own. She said she herself never even got say nothing. But she said, it's like, she said every minute, her own words, every time she go up on the media, to see her. And see her talk about a whole heap of things. I guess every time you see her go live, she look to see if Queen Ifricka got talk about she. But she said she realized, yo, while the situation they might be, want make she move erratic. And it's she talk about. And some people believe say maybe seeing Vybz Kartel being released and moving on with his life, new fiance, it reminds her of her situation with the rebel. And the fact say, the rebel move on and I do him own thing. That woman I confirm it. I say, as she and the other woman, you know, the love of Queen Ifricka's life. And that's why, for some reason, people are saying, if she have this message and something she want to say to the people, to other artists, being an artist and an entertainer herself, why shouldn't I use music? Why shouldn't I do it in a song? Why should you choose to go up on the media and talk about other entertainers? Well, to me say Vybz Kartel and the whole situation, Vybz Kartel not take them serious. Yeah, Vybz Kartel clearly not take nothing where people say serious. I did not face value. At this moment in time, we can see the Vybz Kartel know what go on in the media. And know say, yo, people use different things to get a reaction for their own reasons. Even if I don't know them have against Vybz Kartel, they will just say this and say that because they know. You know, they might get a reaction. He know this. And I guess he knows handle it. But that's say he handle the situation very well. He handle the situation very well. He might use what the media against them. Since them attack on the media, where else we go say what you say? Damp on the media itself too. The maths are up. Some would say the maths is simple. Them plan for go out there on the media, talk some things for 5 minutes of fame, 5 seconds of fame. However long the duration is. Well, the Vybz Kartel give them the fame without actually giving them the fame. Since them want something, if you just say something, give them something for go on, you know, run with. But that's a smart marketing. Such as an artist like Vybz Kartel, even without actually saying anything or doing anything, just being a normal celebrity, an entertainer with fans. As you know, fans always want to see what going on day to day with them favorite artists. That's one of the things where artists use social media for. Unless you promote a song or promote a tour or sometimes just for connect with the fans. Fans can say, you know what I mean? When you like for go your dress code or you dress, you know what I mean? Differently from being on stage or if you're interviewing, this is how you're dressing your day to day. These are your favorite brands and things of that nature. So people like to use the artists like to use the media for connect with the fans. Fans like to use the media for, you know, keep up to date with their latest entertainers. And why Vybz Kartel just have to do that? Vybz Kartel didn't have a preview paper promote him show. Why? For him announce the date, everybody talk about it. We see him put up a post, academics that say to all them rich friend them, teacher first show on December 31st. I must say I got there. So the academics that say him all them rich friend them are followed him. You don't know. You could say Aiden Ross, you could say Kai Sinat. You name the people. I got roll in. Of course, people don't speculate on the Cardi B's, the Nicki Minaj. Busta don't say, yo, you don't have to ask it. Busta got it. Busta got it. You don't have to ask. Busta found. Not to mention all the other great names. I look forward to see Rihanna pass through with the A$AP Rocky. Not for performing, you know. Just to pass through a fair style. Yeah, you don't know A$AP Rocky in all the far side. So, you know, as a man rate, you have to certain way. Say, man, I want to pass through. Yeah, man, will be a star-studded event like with them the normally say. No questions about that. We don't doubt that. But I guess things like this does, you know, keep Vybz Kartel's name in the headlines. So everybody will hear about this, they must say, alright, Kartel first show. Some people are say, you know what I mean? A early ticket them a grab. Yeah, some people are say early tickets them plan for grab. Remember, first show in over a decade. And that's something I can do twice. Yeah. You're going to perform on many other shows after. But for the first show, you know that's something. And of course, more likely, you're going to embark on a world tour. Probably starting with the whole Caribbean, which would be a smart move. Him done big up Shines already and say Belize. So, you know, him done set a strong link in a St. Vincent right now with the St. Vincent Prime Minister. So we can look for a big show in St. Vincent too. I want to feed them biggest venues. Same with Belize. Worse if Shine become the Prime Minister. Him being a musician himself, him know the impact and the love of people have for music. So Belize biggest venue. And then you name the other Caribbean islands then North America, Europe. That's what I see. Vybz Kartel could have other plans, you know. But a world tour, just like I said, what they Buju go in New York, them say the first them see it. A venue of that capacity being sold out. Multiple nights, not just one time. Who never get to go that night there, show up again the next night, and it was again sold out. Buju go probably a third time, a fourth time, a fifth time, you know. Who knows? At the same event, at the same venue for say. Because the amount of people forward, the venue couldn't hold so much people. 2 nights in a row. That for sure. The people them want to see, them favorite artists. You know what I mean? Local and abroad. And Buju will keep him show a stadium too packed. But talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think if you're new to the channel as I pass through. Well, click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and boss and share. And tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them. For check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and also join the discussion in the comment section 24/7. It never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can continue reasoning via the comment section. Now my sentiments for you and yours. I wanna live, love, and prosper, and also wanna stay tuned until we reason again. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. The woman here said this is why Queen Ifricka is on the media moving erratic. But talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Now until we reason again, live, love, and prosper, and stay tuned.